Eight-wheeled sedan Toyota. The eight-wheeled sedan Toyota Vios is a unique prototype car owned by Gemma Ripa taxi owner Ronnie Gunnelin. This car, modified by the Grid Auto team, stands out with its unconventional design. With two wheels in the front and three wheels on each side at the back arranged in a pyramid shape. It's not a vehicle you see every day. While it drives relatively normally at low speeds and handles bumps well, it lacks control and braking power when turning. This car is not intended for mass production, but rather a passion project of a genius aiming to recreate the Batmobile from the Christopher Nolan era of Batman movies. He has already made the Batmobile from the Tim Burton era, and now he's in the early stages of fitting his car with multiple wheels to handle any type of terrain. We're excited to see the progress of his design, with hopes that it won't include weapons. Feel free to comment below with the hashtag #OddTopic and let us know your thoughts on what we've shown. Pool table car. Introducing the fully drivable pool table car, a one-of-a-kind vehicle capable of reaching speeds up to 100 miles per hour. Sponsored by Brunswick Billiards Corp., McDermott Custom Cues, MA Audio, Ticket to Ride, and Luminite Corp., this remarkable car will make appearances at trade shows, car museums, corporate events, and parties around the world, reaching millions of people. With features like a removable top, detachable front for real pool games, custom rims, high-end sound system, and attention-grabbing custom paint. This one-of-a-kind car features a fully functional pool table on its rooftop, allowing passengers to have a game of pool while on the move. Not only does it bring entertainment and excitement to the road, but it also turns heads and sparks conversations wherever it goes. With its sleek design and clever integration of a pool table, the pool table car surely stands out as a remarkable fusion of leisure and mobility. The phone car. Phones and cars are frequently used in the same context. Whether it's just drivers who can't help talking on the phone while on the road, or mobile phones designed in collaboration with famous car manufacturers, the phone car connections are manifold. The phone car, built in 1983 by American businessman Howard Davis, is a fully functional car that resembles an old-style telephone. Davis took a 1975 Volkswagen Beetle, removed the original body, and assembled a giant telephone on the chassis, painting it red. Although initially built for trade shows, the phone car is now fully registered and legal to drive on any road in Massachusetts. While it may not be practical for everyday use, the phone car continues to surprise and delight those who see it on tours across the US. With this unique vehicle already in existence, we can only imagine what a mobile phone-shaped car would look like in the future. Upside-down Ford F-150. In the United States, the Ford F-150 is a popular truck with over 900,000 units sold in 2019. It can be common to find multiple F-150s in a parking lot. However, there is one owner, Rick Sullivan of Illinois Collision Center, who has created a unique and road-legal vehicle. He combined a 1991 Ford Ranger with his F-150 to create an upside-down topsy-turvy vehicle. This special vehicle has 4 wheels in the air, 4 underneath, and an inverted truck body for passengers. It even has side mirrors at the base to add to its quirky appearance. People are amazed when they see Rick's creation and often ask him to pull over so they can get a closer look. Rick used his knowledge of the collision industry to bring this one-of-a-kind automotive art piece to life. Peel P50. The Peel P50 is recognized as the world's smallest car, renowned for its compact size and unique design. Manufactured in the 1960s, this microcar stands at only 54 inches long and 39 inches wide, making it extremely maneuverable and ideal for navigating congested city streets. Despite its small stature, the P50 boasts an impressive fuel economy and is capable of reaching speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. Its iconic bubble-shaped body and single-seat interior are not only visually striking, but also contribute to its lightweight construction. The P50 continues to fascinate car enthusiasts around the world, serving as a symbol of innovation and creative engineering. Rinspeed sQuba. Rinspeed is renowned for their captivating and innovative concept cars, including autonomous hybrids and V8 hovercrafts, pushing the boundaries of transportation. But their most impressive creation is the world's only functional diving car, inspired by James Bond's iconic submarine car, the Lotus Esprit S1 Sports. Unveiled at the Geneva Motor Show in 2008, the Rinspeed sQuba, based on a modified Lotus Elise, can operate on both land and underwater. Despite its aquatic abilities, the sQuba is road legal, equipped with lights, seat belts, and regular tires. It features propellers, a water-friendly interior, and specialized instrumentation. Powered by electricity, the sQuba utilizes oxygen tanks and exterior pods for underwater propulsion. Although only one working model exists, the engineering and cost deter it from mass production, cementing its status as an exclusive luxury item. Carpool DeVille. In 1996, a group of McMaster University engineering students converted in an abandoned 1969 Cadillac DeVille into a fully functional hot tub housed in a car called the Carpool. After graduating, they worked on an upgraded version named Carpool DeVille. Now, 6 years later, they aim to take it to Bonneville Salt Flats and claim the title of the world's fastest hot tub. The Carpool required significant modifications, including a custom fiberglass tub, heat exchangers. The creators ran a successful Kickstarter campaign to fund their race costs. Although the campaign is over, you can still explore their story and view pictures of the conversion. We eagerly anticipate witnessing this unique vehicle in action on the Salt Flats. Bugatti Chiron Lego car. Building a car from scratch is no easy feat, as most automotive engineers will attest to. It requires countless hours and meticulous tinkering to get everything right. So, it might seem downright insane to not only attempt to build a car, but to do so using Lego. However, that's exactly what a team of Lego experts accomplished. In 2017, a team of Lego experts embarked on an ambitious project to build a full-sized, functioning Bugatti Chiron out of Lego. Led by Lego senior art director Alan Jensen, the team spent a staggering 13,500 hours and used over 1 million Lego Technic bricks to create the 1.5-ton vehicle. The finished result was a marvel of engineering, with a steel frame and real wheels complemented by Lego components. Only 3 parts of the entire build were made from Lego, while the rest was meticulously constructed from memory. Now, the question remains, would you be content with your trusty old Toyota Corolla? Or are you ready to upgrade to something truly unique and perhaps a tad absurd, like one of these Lego cars? BMW Gina. The BMW Gina is a concept car that revolutionized the automotive industry with its groundbreaking design and innovative features. Unveiled in 2008, The Gina showcases a unique fabric skin that can flex and shapeshift, enabling the car to change its exterior appearance and even adjust its aerodynamics. This adaptable fabric skin is not only visually striking, but also functional, allowing the driver to customize the car's design and performance according to their liking. With its futuristic design and technological advancements, the BMW Gina represents the epitome of innovation in the automotive world. It redefines a sculpture design in a way that surpasses previous concepts. Its seamless integration of the front, sides, and doors create a cohesive optical and structural unit. This revolutionary approach required a departure from traditional car body configuration, design, and materials. As a result, the Gina eliminates the typical body elements found in production vehicles, including the front apron, bonnet, side panels, doors, wheel arches, roof, trunk lid, and rear deck. Limo Jet. Nothing says you've made it quite like pulling up in your own private jet. But a close second could be this private jet that's been converted into a 42-foot-long road-going limousine. The Limo Jet is no ordinary limousine, it's a 42-foot-long road-going masterpiece that was once a private jet. This remarkable creation, known as the Limo Jet, features an impressive 1700-watt audio system, an infinity mirror floor, and seating for 8 people. It recently went up for auction at Meckham's Indianapolis sale, attracting attention for its meticulous craftsmanship and well-thought-out design. The Limo Jet, powered by a rear-mounted 8.1-liter Chevrolet Vortec V8, boasts custom 28-inch Diablo wheels and massive speakers that replicate the sound of a jet engine. Inside, passengers can indulge in luxurious diamond-stitched leather bench seats, ambient lighting, and a 42-inch plasma TV. While its enormous size may raise practicality concerns, the Limo Jet is street legal and even comes with its own trailer and Chevy Silverado 500 HD pickup for transport. This unique vehicle offers a chance to own a jet-inspired limousine with years of research and development, all at a fraction of its original cost.